In this video, I will show you how to open Microsoft Word as online without software. So guys, there is no need to buy Office. You can use Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook as a online. So just open any browser and search office.com and create your free account with Microsoft. And once you successfully create your free account, or if you have already complete the sign in process, you can use Microsoft 365. You will see a list of apps like Word, Excel. You want to open any file, so just click on Word or create new. So guys, if you need to work on any Microsoft Word file, so you need to firstly upload that file on OneDrive, and once you upload on OneDrive on same account, you can edit here. Also guys, you can create a new file. So Word can use ready to use template or a blank document. So almost you will find some useful features in this free account in Microsoft Word. So this is the method guys, you can use Microsoft Word online without buying software. So thanks for watching.